Hello, I'm Julia, an illustrator and nature journaler. Thank you for joining me. In this class we're taking a look at nature journaling in the winter months. I will share lots of ideas for drawing in your sketchbook in the cold season and show you how you can explore sketching and get inspired even if nature seems to be less active right now. We'll take a look at different tools and techniques, and I'll share several step-by-step demonstrations for what I paint in my sketchbook in this season. You will learn how to observe nature with your sketchbook and build a drawing or painting habit in your nature journal. This class is perfect for anyone who wants to get started or continue nature journaling in winter, and anyone who wants to keep creative throughout the whole year. You can use these kind of nature studies in your sketchbook to develop your own ideas for any creative project or simply to journal about your experiences in nature. So this class is great for beginners and advanced students. In fact, your skill level doesn't matter as long as you have curiosity and an interest in nature. You can learn a lot about the natural world around us with this technique, and I hope you'll be inspired to explore the winter season in your sketchbook by the end of this class. So grab your sketching gear and let's take a look.